Hello, America. Incredibly bad Christopher Walken impersonator here. Before, Neil Armstrong planted the Stars and Stripes on the Sea of Tranquility. Before, our greatest generation rescued freedom in World War II. Before, the Dust Bowl and the Great Depression. Before, we sent our doughboys over there in the war to end all wars. Before, the first musket ball flew in the Civil War, the brothers Mathews were making windows in Belfast, Maine. Over the past 165 years, my friends at Mathews Brothers have seen some wacky stuff come out of Washington. They always say, "Who cares? We're here to make wicked awesome windows." I guess after a while, you kind of get used to it. As the boys used to say at the Lincoln Douglas debates, "Welcome to the monkey house." You can learn more about their wicked awesome Maine-made windows and doors, but only at better lumberyards and window professionals, or on the web at MathewsBrothers.com. Mathews Brothers with one T, America's oldest window manufacturer.